Everybody, welcome to Tuesday. Well, unfortunately, the S&P 500 was down 1.4% today. It was up, and then the stimulus talks broke down, and we ended up with a down market for the day. So we'll have to see how that plays out going forward. Luckily for us, most of our targeted indexes did better than the S&P 500, and some were even up. Clean energy again was up today, and what really led the way. A very hot area. We just added a lot more clean energy. I'm excited about that part of the portfolio. But our innovative technology that we've had for a really long time was up today also. And then robotics, cybersecurity, semiconductors, our new smart mobility, software, the advanced medical, the breakthrough technology piece, and our new pet care index all outperformed the S&P 500 today. So that's really, really great. And that's what we're kind of looking for here as far as that goes. And then I guess the other piece of good news is that bonds did well today, and especially Treasury bonds. And we have a lot of Treasury bonds, and we keep those in the portfolio. They've been underperforming recently. They've been underperforming the normal bond market, but they're wonderful in these down days. They really generally go up. And so that's why we have them in case things fall apart. We've got a little parachute built in there. We did diversify some of our general bond into Treasury inflation protection securities, which are designed to hold their value in an inflationary environment, which we could be heading into with all of the money printing and whatnot that's going on, and high yield bonds, which are doing very well right now, and the government foreign bonds, which we've had in our portfolio in the past that are making a run right now also. And so I'm very excited about that reallocation of the bond piece as well as the pieces that we did yesterday. Again, these reallocations were only done in the IRAs and not the non-IRAs just because there's capital gains to deal with. But I do think it gives a really nice diversification to the overall clientele as far as that goes. So things are working. We're still going. We're still, moving along. And we're going to have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. I do think it'll be kind of interesting because the stimulus talks and what's going on there. So let's find out what happens tomorrow. I'll talk to you then. Thank you very much.